How you doing, guys? And welcome back. Yes, welcome to all the new subscribers to my channel. Yes, today I'm just gonna walk you guys around all over Sandbar, one of my favorite places in Miami Beach. Basically here, and there's only one way you can get here, either jet ski, boat, or if you have yourself a kayak, and you can actually rent the kayaks off of Olita River Park, and it takes you about 15-20 minutes to kayak over here. That's where you notice the green kayaks goes to the rental. But I mean, this place is one of the favorite local spots. And everybody comes here, hang out. It's a family thing. I love it here. The water is great, and the sand is great too. That's basically why I like it here so much.
Which one was the one that you guys got the ice cream from? That one?
Okay, right now we're gonna take a little walk to the. You notice that boat there? It's a pontoon. That one there sells hamburgers, hot dogs, sandwiches, and drinks and ice cream. So right now we're gonna grab ourselves a little snack, get something to eat, because we're getting kind of hungry. Well, if you do your boating here in Miami, and especially if you go yourself to all over Sandbar, I'm gonna let you in a little secret. This summer, make sure you're there at the ramp before 9:30, because normally the park rangers, once the ramp gets full, they close it, let nobody in, and then the nearest ramp is about 10 miles away. So I think to me it's worth getting up early in the morning and go ahead and get yourself to the ramp early so you don't get left out. And because I have a feeling this summer is gonna get pretty full. A few people ask me, don't you get bored of always going every summer to all over Sandbar? But I always tell them, listen, I love being in the water, and it doesn't matter. You can come here every weekend and you're always going to find something different. I mean, every weekend something different going on. So it's actually pretty entertaining. Sometimes there's a DJ that comes out here and then sets up, and then everybody starts dancing on the sand. So I mean, there's always something to look forward to. And I've been here times that like it gets so full that I have to tie up to maybe 4 or 5 boats, and everybody ties together because there's not enough room. So I mean, I don't really get bored because I enjoy it. So basically, this weekend here is pretty relaxing. Everybody's enjoying themselves. So I'm just, like I said, I'm walking around the sandbar, showing you guys all the things that are here and all the people. And basically, if you see in the center, it's kind of empty because it's so shallow now. So all the boats have to park away from the sandbar. So I mean, that gets more sandbar to people enjoy it. So I'm expecting this summer it's going to be pretty full. Because last summer the sandbar wasn't as big. So this summer it seems to be double the size. So that means double the size, more people, more room. So let's have some fun and enjoy.
Ay, pasamos a ver todo, ¿no?